Ladies, my name is Marissa and I'm here to do a short video on the Sonoline Fetal Doppler. I got the pocket Doppler and it came with the batteries. It came with obviously the machine itself and one tube of gel. So to get started, it's fairly simple. There's a USB on the bottom and you just pop that in when you're ready to use it. I'm 22 weeks pregnant and my baby tends to sit very low in my abdominal area, so that's where I start. And I also try to get the heartbeat when he's least active, which in my case is the afternoon time. So, because when he's moving around, it's hard to find the heartbeat sometimes. So this is the on-off button. Just pop that on. This is the light, and then this is the record feature, so you can go back and see the heart rates that you recorded. And this is the volume. Okay, so I start with it fairly low because it picks up a lot of sound when you're trying to fish around for the heartbeat. Okay, so I apply just about a dime size amount of gel. You don't need a lot. You can always apply more. And I tend to start at the bottom, lower part of my belly because that's where he likes to hang out. And there's his heartbeat. So you let it get a record of what? So it's around 130 to 140. So that's that, and I hope that you found this video helpful and useful. I would highly recommend this product. It's a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoy listening to your baby's heartbeat. Have a good day.